Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Number Color Club. Today, we're coloring this super cute squirrel holding its little acorn, a perfect autumn scene. We'll begin with number 1 for blue, to fill in all the open background spaces around the leaves and the squirrel. Next, let's bring in the lower foliage using light green for number 3 for the small ground elements and grass. Time for the squirrel. Orange for number 4 is the main color for its thick, bushy fur and tail. Color carefully around the face and belly sections. Now, we'll use beige for number 8 to color its face, muzzle, chest, and the underside of the tail. This contrast really defines its features. Oops! We missed a blue for number 1. Let's give our squirrel a sturdy branch to sit on using brown for number 6. We'll also use this for the shell of the acorn it's holding. Next, use light brown for number 7 for the cap of the acorn and any secondary shading on the body. Almost done! Let's make those leaves pop with our final colors. Use bright yellow for number 2. Now red for number 5 to fill in all the remaining leaf sections. This adds a perfect finish to our autumn scene. And there is our adorable autumn squirrel, finished and ready for the season. I love how the orange and brown tones look so warm and cozy. If you enjoyed this relaxing color by number, please give this video a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.